Welcome to Senitel AI. Today, managing a crypto portfolio means constantly switching between wallets, dashboards, research platforms, and trading tools. Investors are forced to make a critical financial decision using fragmented information, while most automated trading systems rely on a single AI model or a centralized bot. We believe that's fundamentally broken. Senitel AI introduces a new paradigm, an autonomous on-chain investment committee where multiple specialized agents research, debate, challenge each other, and reach consensus before any capital is deployed. Think of a Sentinel as a decentralized hedge fund operating directly from your wallet. Instead of trusting one agent, we created an entire committee. A bull agent searches for growth opportunities, a bear agent actively attacks risky proposal, an yield agent identifies passive income opportunities through DeFi, and the on-chain agent monitors blockchain activities and market signals. The neutral agent evaluates every argument and produces the final recommendations. No single agents control the outcome. Every decision must survive debate. MetaMask smart account and securities. Intelligence alone is not enough. Security is everything. That's why Sentinel is built on MetaMask smart account. Users never hand over their private keys. Instead, they create a smart account and grant a carefully controlled permissions using ERC7715 and ERC7710. This allows Sentinel to act autonomously while remaining fully sandboxed. Users can define spend limits, approve protocols, risk thresholds, and execution boundaries. Even if an agent wanted to exceed its authority, the smart account architecture simply prevents it. The result is autonomous execution without sacrificing ownership or control. Let's create a strategy. I'm investing $1,000 with a moderate risk profile. Immediately, the committee begins working. The bull agent argues the increased exposure to Ethereum. The bear agent challenges the proposal and highlights potential downside risk. The yield agent recommends stable yield opportunity. The on-chain agent contributes real market intelligence and transact insights. Every recommendation is visible through a live committee feed. You can literally watch the agents negotiate in real time. And after evaluating all the perspectives, the committee reached a consensus and generate a balanced portfolio allocation. Once the consensus is reached, the Sentinel moved into execution mode before any transactions occur. On-chain policy manager verifies that every action complies with the user predefined limits and governance rule. They approve the transaction and then only route it through one-shot permissionless relay. This eliminates friction through around gas management and enables seamless intent-based execution. Instead of manually constructing transactions, Sentinel transforms high-level investment decision into a secure on-chain actions. Most trading bots execute blindly. Most AI assistants provide suggestions but cannot act. Most portfolio managers require constant supervision. Sentinel combines reasoning, governance, permissions, execution, and accountability into a single system. It's not AI chatbot, it's not AI trading bot, it's an autonomous financial operating system built by multiple agent consensus. Sentinel AI demonstrates what becomes possible when intelligent agents, programmable permission, and blockchain infrastructure work together. By combining multiple agents, consensus, MetaMask smart account, ERC7715 permission, ERC7710 delegation, X402 enabled agent payments, and one-shot permissionless relay, we are building towards a future where autonomous agents can safely manage digital asset on behalf of the user. We are Team Brotherhood. Thank you, MetaMask, OneShot API, and Venice AI and HackQuest. Welcome to the future of autonomous portfolio management.